Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to navigate the Edit Map page. To get started, enter an address into the text box at the top of the map. Find a suitable area for your mission and double-click to set your map boundary. You can click and drag to position your map boundary to a suitable location. You can also click and drag any corner or edge to resize it. The map boundary represents the area in which the mission will be played. Next, click and drag your field agent and position him anywhere inside the map boundary. The field agent represents the default starting position for the mission if the player does not have a GPS signal. In the map settings section, you can set your scan radius. The scan radius represents how close a player has to get to a challenge before the challenge is revealed. You can view how big your scan radius is by clicking the scan radius toggle in the map area. The scan radius is represented by a blue circle. The map preview section gives you a preview image of what your map will look like in the app. You can download a copy of this image to your computer if you'd like. The custom map section allows you to upload your own custom map if your package settings allow. You can upload an image from your computer by clicking Upload Image and selecting an image. Depending on the image's size, it will take a couple seconds to upload. Once uploaded, the image will be overlaid on top of your currently existing map boundary. Once your mission has challenges, you can click and drag each challenge to place them within your map boundary. You can view the scan radius for each challenge by selecting the scan radius toggle in the right side of the map view. And that is how you navigate the Edit Map page. You can find more tutorial videos like this one on our YouTube page.